Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the continuation of string built-in methods. If you have missed my previous videos, just go, you can find those videos on my YouTube channel. And now let's get into the tutorial. So in this video what we'll see is in one of the previous video where we have checked whether the particular string is lower or upper. So in this particular video we'll see whether how to convert the list to uppercase and lowercase. I mean string to uppercase and lowercase. Let's say here we have three strings, so x, y, and z. So now if I try to print x, so here we can see all are in lowercase. Let's say you wanted to convert this to uppercase, so you can just simply write x dot upper and parenthesis, and if you print, so it got converted into uppercase. Same way you can try for here. If you see z has all the uppercases, let's apply the same thing on z. Y has all the uppercase, let's apply what will for z. So this is how upper works. It will convert all the lowercase letters into uppercase letters. And at the same time, let's say you wanted to perform in the reverse way. Like let's say you wanted to perform all the change the case from lower uppercase to lowercase. So let's take an example of y here. So x dot lower, as x is already lower, so we no need to change that. Let's try for y. So here if you just take print y dot lower, means what it will do, what it did exactly here is it will convert all the uppercase letters into lowercase letters. So let's try and do the same for z as well. Let's see. So this is how lower and upper works exactly. And instead of going through these two things, we can use another shortcut, one more built-in method which we have, which is direct method, which is simply like x dot swap case. If you write, so it will just simply, if the elements are lower, it will convert them into upper. If the elements are upper, it will convert them into lower. Let's try and see for y and z also, then we can get clear picture about it. So in y, so if you see here, in y actually contains all the uppercase letters. Here the this this swap case, it converted the uppercase letters into lowercase letters. Let's try and see what happens with z. Yeah, if you see in z we have first character as uppercase letter, remaining all are in lowercase letter. So what this one did exactly is it converted, it swapped all the case, all the letters from lower to upper and upper to lower. So this is all guys, these are the three methods which we can use to swap the cases. Either you can use upper or upper to convert the lowercase letters to uppercase letters, and lower is to convert the uppercase letters into lowercase letters. And when it comes to swap case, it is simply, it will just swap. If the upper elements are in lowercase, it will convert them into uppercase. If the elements are in uppercase, it will convert them into lowercase. So this is all guys, thanks for watching. Let's meet up and let's catch up in the next video.